Situation reaction test. You have been given this booklet, and inside this booklet there are 60 situations of daily occurrence. You are to read them and give a suitable answer in your corresponding serial numbers of your dossiers. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Be practical as per your personality. All feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it was very good for me after 5 years of in the service, and I joined the coaching academy. It was a great exposure for me, and I learned here many of the aspects that how to deal with the GD, how to face the situation in front of the public, and as a public speaker and the lecturer also.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to the psychology test. Today we are going to have a feel of a real-time psychology test. Whatever happens in SSB, same thing I am going to be doing it here for you. And this will ensure that you gain the confidence, and when you go for the psychology test, SSB, you are not nervous. Okay? So we will try and follow all the steps which are done in the SSB. Okay? Are you all feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we'll do in the next 2 hours and 5 minutes or so, we'll have your psychology test. We should divide it into 4 parts. First one is going to be thematic apperception test, TAT. As we already covered in the class, you'll be seeing 12 pictures on the screen, each picture coming on for 30 seconds, thereafter 4 minutes to write a story based on the picture you saw. And last, you'll have a blank slide, the 12th one, in which you'll have to imagine a picture of your own and then write a story based on your own imagination. So much so for TAT, followed by word association test, which is ACT. In that you will see 60 words one by one on the screen, remaining on for 15 seconds each. You will see the word, complete its meaning, and write a meaningful sentence with the corresponding serial number of your dossier. So much so for WAT. And thereafter you will have the situation reaction test, SRT. In this you will be given 60 situations in this booklet. These situations are of daily occurrence. You will read them and then try to give a suitable response as per your own personality. Number of situations 60. The time given to you will be 30 minutes. So roughly 30 seconds per situation to read, understand, and give a suitable answer in the corresponding serial number of your dossiers. And finally, the fourth test will be self-description test. In this, you have like 5 paragraphs in 15 minutes time, starting with the opinion of your parents, followed by the teachers, friends, and your fourth paragraph will be your own opinion. And if you feel like this about yourself, the final paragraph would be what are the qualities which you need to improve or inculcate in yourself. Total duration 2 hours and 5 minutes. Language to be used is English. However, if you get stuck for want of word or phrase, switch over to Hindi but revert back to English as soon as possible. Don't worry about high vocabulary and sophisticated English. We want simple English which can be understood by us. Any doubts in English?
No, sir. No, sir.
All ready?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Open your dossiers and get ready for the first picture which will come on your screen shot. Here comes your first picture now. Second test, which is word association test. As I told you, in this you will see 60 words one by one on the screen, and you will 15 seconds to write a meaningful sentence using the word in the corresponding serial number of your dossiers. All clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Open your dossiers, get ready for the first word which will come on the screen shortly. Okay, now we come to the third test, which is situation reaction test. You have been given this booklet, and inside this booklet there are 60 situations of daily occurrence. You are to read them and give a suitable answer in your corresponding serial numbers of your dossiers. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Be practical as per your personality. All feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start with this test?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Open your dossiers. Open your dossiers. 30 minutes, 60 SRTs. Your time starts now. Now we come to the final part of our psychology test, that is the self-description test. As I told you, 5 paragraphs: parents, teachers, friends, yourself, and the qualities to improve. Right? Yes. All feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Right. 15 minutes, open your doors, yes. 5 para, 15 minutes. Your time starts now. Okay, with this we come to the end of our psychology test. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed giving it to you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, that's any doubts anybody's got regarding any aspect of procedure of the psychology test? Anyone wants to ask me any question? You all are clear?
Yes, sir.
Please do ask.
In situation reaction test, it is necessary to mention that work is completed in finally, because it gets too time. That's other question.
That is what. See, when you are having a problem, unless you solve the complete problem, the answer is not complete. So, you can answer less number of situations, but whatever you answer, you must answer them completely. Complete action is required.
Sir, I can do that in few questions. I write a whole and in few questions I can.
It's up to you, depending on time frame. But if you don't write the complete solution, the answer is incomplete. Okay, so choice is yours. What we want is a complete action in that every situation. Okay, please sit down. Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, gentlemen, and you can proceed for your next session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
जैसा कि भी आपने देखा कि यहाँ पर आज के दिन ये मेरा फाइनल साइकोलॉजी का दिन होता है और इसमें एक रियल टाइम टेस्ट दिया जाता है जैसा कि एसएसबी में आता है, और इससे हमारे जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन लोगों को अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है कि जब वो बच्चा जाता है वहाँ पर तो उनमें नर्वसनेस होती है, स्ट्रेस होता है, और उस स्ट्रेस को दूर करने के लिए हम ये रियल टाइम टेस्ट देते हैं और सब कुछ वैसे होते हैं एसएसबी में है। तो आप लोग यहाँ आइए एंड हैव द गुड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हैविंग अ रियल टाइम साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट। थैंक यू, जय हिंद।
Okay, gentlemen, so today was your psychology briefing and you also went through the real time testing of psychology जैसा कि आपके SSB में होता है। The class was taken by Group Captain L.K. Pandey and I hope you all enjoyed the session and learned a lot from him. I want to take a proper review from you all that what all things you learned from here and other reviews that you want to give about the classes. We'll start from you, Sheesh. So how was your total experience about these classes and especially the psychology class?
So I think the psychology class went very nicely, and Group Captain L.K. Pandey sir briefed very well, and not only psychology, he tried to cover all aspects. And talking about psychology specific, he tried to cover each and every aspect in detail, be it TAT, VAT, SRT or SCT, and he gave detailed instructions and guidance as well.
Okay, so what all difference could you see in your own personality before and after these classes?
So I think from now, according to his suggestions, which I'll follow and which I have followed in the past 2 days, I think my thinking has become more positive, and some ideas especially of taking neutral things to more positive, negative things to neutral. This kind of approach I think will definitely help me not only in psychology but my throughout life.
So as you are a service entry candidate, so how was this experience with the Air Force officer and whole overall experience of the classes?
It was very good for me after 5 years of in the service, and I joined the coaching academy. It was a great exposure for me, and I learned here many of the aspects that how to deal with the GD, how to face the situation in front of the public, and as a public speaker and the lecturer also. And I have done very well, and before coming here, I have a lack of knowledge in the general awareness, and by joining this institute, I must ensure that I will give a lecture for 3 minutes anytime.
Okay, very good. So these were the candidates from FCAR entry. Your entry was ACC entry.
ACC entry.
Now let's go to entry of some younger children. Where is it? Okay. Your entry is 10 plus 2 BTech.
10 plus 2 Navy BTech.
So how was your experience and आपके एज के हिसाब से आपको क्या लगता है क्या चेंजेस आपको अब करने चाहिए after this class?
My experience was very fine and nice in this coaching institute. And in my opinion, I have a stage phobia which was over after coming to this institute. I could speak for 3 minutes in front of camera or many people's.
So in the psychology session, what all things you learn? What all things will you make change in yourself?
In psychology, group captain LK Pandey sir have given 3 points. Main 3 points are: if the story is negative, then from negative we have to take it to the neutral. If the story is positive, then we have to take it to the more positive. And if the story is neutral, then also we have to make a positive story out of the picture.
Okay, so now you are confident that you will get recommended this time?
Yeah sir, I think and I am confident that I will get recommended this time.
Best of luck your future.